Jesus Christ resurrected yesterday, guys, and my warmer came here and it was very scary. Do I reduce the heat when I'm frying the onion, babe? To what number? Guys, I'm actually making this without my husband's help. Let me see if I can actually do it from start to finish. So I'm just going to saute the eggs. I'm going to saute the onion. I'm too tired. I've been doing lots of homework. So we're off for Easter, and our teacher gave us humongous amount of assignments to do, guys. So since Friday or Thursday, I've been doing my assignments, and yeah, so my brain is not quite here. So I've got the pan here, so I'm going to put 2 deciliters of raisin. 1. It's not quite 2 deciliters, but each pack, so I'm using 2 packs. That's that. So I'm going to boil it in water. This is actually a traditional Finnish food, right? Yeah. So that one is on now over there. If you did want to make this liver pudding yourself, you need 2 large onions chopped into small pieces like this, and then you fry it with part butter and part oil, gently fried. Do I put sugar in here, babe? In the onion? So a pinch of sugar like this, he says. Half a deciliter. Oh, sorry. Not half a deciliter, guys. So half a teaspoon of sugar and salt, like so. And what does this thing do to it, babe? So it brings out the sweetness of the onion. A pinch of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. And we're meant to make Jensen's, guys, but my husband had to go to the hospital to see my mother-in-law. So by the time he came home, it's too late now to start making all that. So I'm just going to do this, and then we're going away tomorrow, and when we come back, so you can always freeze them. So the plan is to make it so that my liver doesn't go bad, and then I'll freeze it, and then when I come back on Tuesday, we can have this with something else for dinner. Yeah. Do I put salt with the raisin? No? Okay. And the boiling of the raisin is just to soften the raisin, right? For 5 minutes, it says. So guys, it's been 5 minutes since I've been boiling the raisin, and now I'm just going to drain it and transfer it into another bowl to cool it down. So boiling the raisin is to soften it and to make it a bit plump, seeing as it's dry raisin. That's the raisins done, so I'm just gonna leave it on the side to cool down. That's the onion all done. Liver. So it's nice and washed now. So I'm just going to like chop it up so that it helps like process easy. Using my viscous knife, it's really sharp, guys. Really nice, so you have to be careful. I'm gonna try and operate this blender myself without my husband's help. No, it's not turning on. I think there's no electricity. It's not on. Oh my days! You scared me! How do you know when it's 2 minutes then? 2 minutes? That's done. 2 minutes pour on. It's nice. It's well blended. This bush is really nice. Now I just need to melt my butter, 75 grams of butter, and this is 500 grams of liver, beef liver. So guys, 75 grams of butter on a very low heat. I actually turned it down to number 1. And then I need 2 eggs as well. Donald Trump, guess what? In Sweden, we have lots of eggs and the prices are the same. Raisins going first. So this is the raisins that I boiled for 5 minutes. Onion that I sauteed in a pinch of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. guessing that's what this is. 2 eggs. So this is measured. It said 1 teaspoon. Better be measured. Put that in. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of white pepper. This has got to be white pepper. So light syrup is what we're going to be using. Put 3 teaspoons of salt. But guys, I'm not going to put 3 teaspoons, guys, because every time we put teaspoons like that, because I don't really like to have salt. I swear this is teaspoon though. Better not be tablespoon that I've been putting here. I'm just going to put 1 teaspoon. I swear this is teaspoon. Shop bought rice pudding saves you like making your own rice pudding. They want 3 deciliter of rice pudding. I'm just gonna prick the top here and then just squeeze it. I think it's actually 3 deciliter, guys. So 500 grams is roughly 3 deciliters. So I'm just gonna whack everything. What's the point keeping the tiny bits? And besides, my husband is not here to tell me it has to be exact measurements. So here goes the liver. Oh, how did I know that knife is going to go in there? Oh my days. My back is so painful all the time. And then I become very irritated. Like, I mean, I don't mind if I was like cleaning, but because I don't really like cooking, I become very, very angry once I'm in pain.
Have you buttered your ramekin?
No, I'm using those foils there. So mix, and then pour the butter, right?
Just save a little bit for the
Yeah,
ramekin.
well, then I'll use brush, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just pouring in the butter.
There is enough for the ramekin.
You bake in the oven for 90 minutes at 175 degree, and then that's it. You let it cool down, you freeze them. It lasts for so long, and you can have it with ginseng, you can have it with boiled potatoes and sauce. So because it's got liver in it, it's meat enough. You don't need to have meat on the side. And it's from Finland, right?
Yeah.
This recipe. I love it, guys. My husband said just tap it to get off the air bubbles. If you're one of those people that don't like liver, this is a very good way to eat it.